Hey fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. So today we are in Ross, our first time ever shopping in Ross, you guys. And I gotta say, it was a great experience. I really enjoyed it. My kids enjoyed it. My daughter, she really found a lot of cute things for school. And I just really love the home decor section, you guys. I was like, just the prices were outrageous. I couldn't even believe how incredible they were. And I am definitely a Ross girl. I mean, now I know what everyone is talking about when they talk about shopping in Ross. It's a great experience and they have so many beautiful things. So I wanted to film it for you guys. I got some clips, on my Instagram stories. And so that's what you're seeing now. And then I filmed some in YouTube format. Excuse me. So it's a little bit, mixed together, but nonetheless, you're getting content. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. It's more like a day in the life vlog today, and I hope that you guys have been enjoying these types of videos. And I just want to thank you all so much for your support. I mean, it's just, your support has just been amazing. The outpouring of prayers and encouragement and just love, I am just so grateful. So thank you guys so much. I am getting ready to give you guys some decorating content very soon, and also some shop with me videos for home decor, and kind of take you guys along, with the process of what's going on in my head as to how I'm going to be decorating our new space. I also have a second update for you guys of the new home. So stay tuned. We have a lot of fun things planned and a lot of good things that's taking place. So enjoy this day in the life. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. Bye.
And now there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go.
So now we are actually in like a beautiful shopping mall area, and oh my goodness, it has so many beautiful stores. And this is the water fountain in the shopping mall area. So we're headed to a couple of stores, you know, Victoria's Secret and American Eagle Outfitters, and I believe we went to Sephora as well. So it's just such a beautiful spot, and we were just enjoying the day. The weather was beautiful, and we had such a good time just hanging out and having such a great time. We were doing our last minute shopping for Kayla and Nyla. Their dad gave them money for school shopping, so they were finishing up their school shopping, and you know, we just had such a good time. And it was Michaela's first time going into the Victoria's Secret store, and here we are in the Sephora store. Michaela said I've been there before, but I feel like it was my first time going there because I don't remember going there. I remember going to Ulta Beauty, I think it was, or it could have been Sephora, but I don't even remember going in here. But it was beautiful. It was a beautiful store, and it smelled amazing. Oh my goodness, it smelled so good. So we had a good time. We had such a good time.
Agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't wanna be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I don't wanna be dragged in a box. I just wanna go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way. I am on my way.
So now we're here together, my brothers and my oldest brother, his wife, and then my brother and his girlfriend. We're all together, just eating seafood boil. They ordered it from the seafood company that's in the area, and it was so good. My daughter loves seafood, especially. I used to really eat it a lot. I had to slow down, honestly, on it, but it was really so good. It was spicy. It was very spicy. So I really couldn't eat much that night. But I did take a little bit from my daughter. Like, I kept dipping my finger in her plate. She didn't even notice it, but I was feeding Nyla as well. Mikey is allergic to seafood, so he was eating chicken. chicken wings, but for some reason, I don't know how, I think he drank someone's water mistakenly and got seafood on his lips, so he started breaking out, which everything was fine. He was okay, and it was great. So we just ended the night with that, and we had a good time. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too, and I will see you next time. Have a good night, guys. Bye.